Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about Auto Trading Hub. Do we use charts? Let's go! How y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is PD from Instax Trading, and today's video is going to be a little bit special video on the Auto Trading Hub where I explained a major question. Do we really need to use charts when trading with the Auto Trading Hub? But before you get to see all that and before I answer that, if this is your first time watching a video in our channel but you would like to know more about day trading, best software to trade with, scam software not to trade with, or any other money making softwares, do not forget to hit the like button for this video and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Welcome to today's video on the Auto Trading Hub, guys. Today's video is going to be a little bit special video. It's not going to be like all the videos that I do regarding the Auto Trading Hub where I do tradings. Even yesterday's video where I told you 3 mistakes that you should definitely avoid when you're using the Auto Trading Hub to trade. If you want to have a very profitable trading session, you can go ahead and watch that video where I actually talk while I trade. I go through all the 3 mistakes of what you should avoid and everything while I am trading, and this is my normal style that I use to do videos on the Auto Trading Hub where I actually trade while talking to you. But in today's video I'm just gonna explain to you a few things, not gonna trade, guys. Like let me tell you this early, so if you don't be disappointed at the end of the video why you're not trading or anything. This will be more to an explanation video, guys. So if you want to know what is Auto Trading Hub, all you gotta do is go to their homepage and check. This is their homepage. I have attached the link to their homepage in the description of this video, where there will be a link stating Auto Trading Hub. If you click on that particular link, it will straight away direct you to this particular page, which is their homepage. Over here actually you can read more about them, what they do and everything, the FAQ signals, how they work, and also there is a support email over here where they will reply you as soon as possible. I personally have actually emailed them and they reply me quite fast. I have also escalated few matters of my subscribers who email me telling me that there's these problems and everything, so I do sometimes email on behalf of them so that they can get a response, and the response is awesome. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and log into our Auto Trading Hub account. And keep in mind, guys, this video might be a little bit shorter than all the other auto trading videos that I have done. All the auto trading videos that I have done has reached more than usually it would be more than 10 minutes, guys. So this is a huge complaint from a lot of people. So today video is going to be very short, so some of you might be very happy to see this video. As well as today's video will be that I'm gonna answer a major question shoot to me by a subscriber on yesterday's comment, as well as this question has been asked to me various times from various subscribers. I usually address it very little, guys. What I say is what the question is actually, do we need to use charts when we trade using the Auto Trading Hub, guys? Remember, guys, if you ask me, do you need to use a chart while trading with the Auto Trading Hub, definitely it's a no, guys. If the word need and the word can is totally different, you have to keep that in mind. Need is essential, while can is something more to alternatives, whether you can or you cannot do something like that. So if you ask me, do you need to use the chart when you're trading with the Auto Trading Hub, definitely no, guys. You do not need to use the charts when you're trading with the Auto Trading Hub, because the Auto Trading Hub itself is a semi-auto trading software which does the technical analysis for you. So all you gotta do is it actually does not only do the technical analysis for you, it also does a fundamental analysis for you. If you see in my previous video where I trade using the Auto Trading Hub, when there is a high volatile news, it actually affects the trades, as well as sometimes the Auto Trading Hub trades will be definitely affected by those particular high volatile news. So definitely they take the fundamental news into consideration as well, but they do not do it as often as how we do when we trade manually. What we will do is actually when we trade using the auto trading hub, what we will do actually is we will go and check the economic calendar over here. Let me just check the economic calendar over here, and then what we will do is you go to your current time that you're trading, and you make sure to go 2 hours prior from the current time, as well as 4 hours in advance from your current time, and go and check and make sure there is no any high volatile news. You can use different various sources of economic calendar if you want to. I particularly like investing.com. You can use actually Forex Factory. There's few more guys, actually you can use them. And in the investing.com, the indicators is actually 3 bulls. You can you all you gotta do is avoid them. But if you are using different sources of economic calendar, it varies guys, but mostly their indicators will look exactly the same. Maybe there won't be a bull, but if, for example, if forex factory on, if I'm not mistaken, is something like a radar where you should avoid the red zone and the green zone is safe to trade or something like that guys. So it is quite similar. The way you use it is quite similar. So this is how we trade. We look at the fundamental analysis so that we will have a manual understanding of the fundamental analysis. Once we have the fundamental analysis, what we will do is we will go back to the auto trading hub and start placing trade. This will be ideal for beginners who have zero knowledge of trading and zero experience in trading, so they also can make profit using the auto trading hub. They can invest their money and make profit in the auto trading hub. But now comes the next question: can we use the charts to trade? Definitely 100% you can use the charts to trade, and I will highly recommend you to use the charts to trade if you know what you are doing guys. If you know what is support, resistance, you know what is indicators like RSI, MACD and everything, something like that. So you know what is pips, you know things like this. Then you know what is what is the algorithm of charts and everything. So if you know what you're doing, definitely go ahead and use the charts guys. When you use these charts, definitely you will amplify the amount of profit that you can gain with the auto trading hub. You will amplify your results as well. But if you have no idea of whatever I have said so far, then guys, go ahead, you still can use the auto trading hub. The way I do it, the way I teach, is definitely for beginners with zero knowledge and zero experience of trading. If even without any prior experience, you can still make profit with the auto trading hub. That's why usually when I do videos, I do not use the technical analysis. I will not use my own technical, I will not do my own technical analysis, while I will only depend on the auto trading hub technical analysis, because this is the easiest part for the beginners. Remember guys, technical analysis is the hardest part when it comes to trading, and a lot of traders fail when it comes to technical analysis. So it's very important. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't worry guys, the auto trading hub will do it for you. If you know what you're doing, then definitely go ahead and use the charts to place trade. Definitely it will show a better result, and it can give you better result because you have better understanding of how it works. And it's not easy guys, it might be easy. And this is the charts. Usually they are from trading views, so this is how the trading views look like. So you can actually go ahead and see the charts if you know how to use the indicators. For example, let me just explain very fast how the indicators, for example, let's take MACD, one of my favorite indicators. So how this work is guys, once you have pressed MACD, they will have 2 lines over here. So it's quite simple. All I gotta do is MACD, mostly when the line intersect, to make it very simple guys, when a line intersect, it means the chart is going to change the direction. For example, a line intersect over here, if you can see, let me just go a little bit close guys. If you can see over here, the line intersect over here, and then the chart goes down, and then a line intersect over here, the chart goes up, and then a line intersect over here again, the chart goes down again, and then line intersect over here, the chart goes up. So this is how MACD works. And if you want to go to, let me just remove this, and then if you want to use the RSI, For example, the relative strength index, all you gotta do is this works like there's a 70% percentage as well as the 30% percentage. So whenever the chart reaches a 70% percentage, there's a high possibility that the chart will go down. Whenever the chart reaches the 30% percentage, there's a high possibility the chart will go up. For example, over here, this 70%, as you can see, the chart actually reached here somewhere around somewhere around 850 yesterday. So the chart actually went down back, started going down at 852. So this is how it works, because it has already reached 70%. Let's see whether anything reached 30% or not. Over here on the early in the morning, sorry, afternoon, somewhere around 4 o'clock, the chart actually reached the 30% mark over here, and it actually went up, and over here it actually reached the 70%, and then it went down again. So this is how basically how to use the RSI and how to use the MACD. This is basically how it works, but it's not as easy as it looks, guys. So if you know what you're doing, then go ahead, guys. If you don't know what you're doing, then don't worry, guys. Still, you can make the auto you can make money in the auto trading hub. I have made, I think this week definitely my target is to reach 10k mark, and I'm just 700 euros behind. Definitely I will reach my 10k mark in tomorrow's trading session. I really hope to reach my 10k mark by end of this week. So this whole 10k in this particular account alone, I have not used any analysis of charts, guys. I've just traded using the technical analysis and the signals given to me by the auto trading hub. And my different account with the auto trading app, which I use it for my personal use, I definitely use my technical analysis because I have knowledge on trading, I have knowledge on charts and everything. So if you have knowledge on charts and everything, go ahead and do, guys. But it's not something very easy. So if you want to make money like how I did, almost 10,000 euros with the auto trading hub, guys, all you gotta do is go and clear your cache and cookies. Once you have cleared your cache and cookies, go to the description of this video. There's a link stating auto trading hub, guys. Click on that particular link, sign up, deposit your money, verify your account, and then you can start making money. Finally, we have reached to the end of today's video. If you have any question regarding today's video or any other videos in our channel, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, or definitely you can email us to apsocialhouse@outlook.com. Don't forget, you can also private message us to our Facebook page in Stock Trading. We do have a beautiful website built that you can check it out if you have the time to do so. It's called www.instocktrading.com. Do drop by if you have the time to do so. This is Pretty from InStock Trading, and remember to invest safely always.